Hey there, I'm going to show you a DIY. I've got a purse or maybe a shopping bag that is from, I think, Papua New Guinea, from some missionaries, and it's a really cool bag and I didn't want to get rid of it, but I wasn't using it. So instead of decluttering it, I'm going to upcycle it. It's very pretty and it's got the purple and gray and white in this room and some cool tassels, so that adds extra texture. So I'm just gonna stick it in one of my existing pillows and glue it. Glue gun it. Yeah, just watch. It's really beautifully woven, like high quality material too. Okay, so I'll just use this one. So we'll just glue it in. This was for 99 cents at a thrift store instead of paying $7 for a pillow. That's what I'm doing. If I didn't want the tassels, I could turn this the other way and it'd be also lovely. But I like the texture. I had to be really careful cutting through the threads that attached the shoulder strap so that I wouldn't make the rest of the bag unravel. There we go. I got these finger grips or fingertip protectors with my hot glue gun, but if you don't have any and you want some, you can find them easily on Amazon. So you could do this with any tote bag that you have that's pretty, as long as it's, not those plasticky kind. Could I sew it by hand? Yes, I could. But I don't wanna. Alright, well that's as good as it's gonna be.